Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides. First, you can search Google Slides, then you can press on the link. To create a presentation, you can either select a blank presentation or you can browse the different templates. Now that I've created a presentation, I'm going to rename it by selecting the title box on the top left corner and naming the presentation. As you can see, the box on the right reinforces the main themes. To customize your background, you click on the background button and either change the color or add an image. To change the text, font, color, and size, you use the menu bar above. To add a transition between slides, press Transition. In the sidebar, you can use the drop bar to change the transition and use the slider to change the speed. If you would like a consistent transition, you can click on the button on the bottom that says Apply to all slides. If you want to insert an image, click on the Insert button and select an image. You can then choose to either upload from your computer or search on the web. Then you select the preferred image and press Insert. If you would like an object to move, go to Insert on the menu and select Animation. Then select the object and you can use the drop bar to customize the animation. And if you have other animations, under the animation drop bar, there's a second drop bar that says On Click. If you have several objects, it will allow you to customize the order. To share the slides, select File, then Share. This will allow you to set up the specifications for the sharing aspect of your presentation. To download as a Microsoft PowerPoint or any other format, you can go to File, then Download. Then there is a drop bar with various options for a format. To center a particular component, you select it and go to Arrange, and then click Center. Then you can select either horizontally, vertically, or both. And to look at all of the format options for a specific theme, click on Layout, and select your preferred layout. To present your presentation, you simply click on the Present button on the right. And also next to that Present button, there is a triangle and a drop bar that allows you to choose from more options. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.